how you can fix phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime in your iPhone. Now, before we start and before I teach you guys how to fix that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is just go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the apps section and just search for messages. So after you find messages, just open it up and there you will see iMessage. So just toggle this button off and toggle it on and you can check if the phone number is available now. If it is not available, what you'll need to do is just go to your settings again and go to your general. And after you're on your general, just scroll down till you find date and time. So what you'll here need to do is just set your date and time to automatic. And after you do that, you can again go back and check if your phone number is available for iMessage and FaceTime. Now what you'll need to do is just check for the software update. So make sure that you're updated to the latest version, because now the phone number not being available for iMessage might be due to a software bug and it might get fixed with the new software update. So make sure you do that, and after it's done you can just go back and check, and if it's still not there, what you can do is you can just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, what you'll need to do is just press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, long press on the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, just release the side button and your iPhone will restart. And with that, your problem should get fixed too. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.